Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to solve another task of 100 days of AWS series by KodeKloud engineer. In today's task there is an instance named xfusion EC2 and we need to enable the termination protection for the instance. So what is termination protection? Termination protection prevents an instance from being deleted accidentally. So when it is enabled, we cannot delete an EC2 instance unless we disable it. So for this, let's log into AWS console via given credentials. After login, go to EC2 dashboard, click on this. And let's verify our instance. So this is the instance named xfusion EC2 and we need to select this instance, go to actions, instance settings, and here we need to change the termination protection and click on enable. As you can see, it says to prevent your instance from being accidentally deleted. Click on save, and here we can see the pop-up successfully enabled termination protection and this instance cannot be deleted. So let's verify our task. Click on check. Yes,